Hi children, now let us see how gaseous exchange takes place in plants. In plants, almost every part respires. Stomata in leaves, lenticels present in the old stems, and general surface of the roots helps in gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange through stomata. Stomata are small apertures found on the surface of the leaves. For the process of respiration, oxygen enters through stomata by the process of diffusion and then into other cells of the leaves through stomata. This oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of glucose into water and carbon dioxide. This does not occur in a single step but in a series of steps. When the concentration of oxygen increases inside the cells, it diffuses out through stomata. Gaseous exchange in plants. Respiration through lenticels. Lenticels are the small openings in the bark of a woody stem. These also serve as the places of gaseous exchange. Respiration through general surface of the roots. Ploughing or tilling of the soil creates small air spaces around the soil particles, which provide the source of oxygen for the roots. This oxygen present between the soil particles diffuses into the root hairs by the diffusion process. From the root hairs, oxygen diffuses into the other cells of the roots. After utilization of oxygen, CO2 is released into the soil by the diffusion process. In older roots, there are no root hairs present. Instead of that, they have a layer of dead cells which is protective and encloses small opening. These are used for gaseous exchange between the soil and inner living cells. Respiration takes place both in presence and in the absence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, the stomata are open, photosynthesis is in progress, and the oxygen is released out. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is used in photosynthesis, whereas the oxygen released during photosynthesis is used for respiration. Excess gases are released into the atmosphere during daytime. In the absence of sunlight, the stomata are being closed. There is less oxygen in the air spaces between the cell than the atmosphere outside the plant. So, automatically oxygen diffuses into the plant through lenticels and the stomata. Carbon dioxide produced during the respiration at night time diffuses through lenticels and stomata into the external environment.